For question 3, we need to expand this expression up to the term in x squared, and then we need to find the approximation for square root of 1.08, and then you need to deduce that square root of 12 is equal to 3.464. So kat sini kita boleh nampak kata dia banyak benda yang kamu kena buat. Tengok power, n kamu adalah 1/2. So kita tahu kata kita kena compare dengan 1 plus ax to the power of n. So we're gonna have 3 steps. We only want to expand this expression up to the term in x squared. So we'll stop here because here we have x and then square. So this means that this term will give you x squared. And we will get 1 plus 1 over 2x minus 1 over 8x squared plus ... So that's the expansion of 1 plus x to the power of 1 over 2. But don't forget about the validity. And we will get x is between -1 and 1. So now let's continue. Hence, we need to find an approximation for square root of 1.08. Step 2 is to find x using trial and error. Note that we want square root of 1.08. So, kalau kita baca balik, kita punya binomial expansion, kita tulis dia dalam bentuk 1 plus x to the power of 1 over 2 kan? So, tukar square root ni jadi power 1 over 2. So, this is actually 1.08 to the power of 1 over 2. And this one, kita akan compare dia dengan 1 plus x to the power of 1 over 2. So, kalau kamu tengok balik kat sini, try to compare something ada power n equal to something yang ada power n. So, kita ada 1.08 to the power of 1 over 2. Kita compare dengan something yang ada power 1 over 2 juga, which is 1 plus x to the power of 1 over 2. Therefore, by comparison, 1.08 should be equal to 1 plus x. Therefore, we will get x equal to 0.08. Okay, jangan lupa check validity. Okay, x kita sekarang adalah 0.08. The validity states that x should be between -1 and 1. So note that 0.08 is within this interval. So this should be okay. So now we have found the value of x. We will continue with step 3. We need to use step 1 correctly and then we substitute the value of x. Try to get an equation where the left-hand side is written as a fraction and the right-hand side is written as a decimal number. So we need to use step 1. So tengok balik. From step 1, this expansion will give you this expression. So tulis balik kat bawah tu. So this is from step 1. So now we need to substitute the value of x. And in this case, our x is 0.08. So substitute into x. So, kami kata sepatutnya sebelah kiri dapat dalam bentuk fraction kan? Tetapi soalan kita nak square root of 1.08 ataupun 1.08 to the power of 1 over 2. So, this one pun tinggal saja dalam bentuk 1.08 to the power of 1 over 2. For the right hand side, we need a decimal number. So, this one masuk dalam calculator. Try dapat dalam bentuk titik perpuluhan. And we'll get 1.0392. So, kalau kita tengok soalan ni, dia tak spesifik kan, tinggalkan jawapan dalam berapa decimal places kan. So, it should be 3 or more decimal places, okay? So, dalam kes ni, Miss tinggalkan dalam 4 titik perpuluhan. But don't forget, always check your answer using calculator. So, check betul, what is 1.08 to the power of 1 over 2 using your calculator? And the answer is 1.03923048454. So if you compare this answer with your answer using binomial expansion, you can see that they are the same. So this means that this is correct. Hence, we need to deduce that square root of 12 is equal to 3.464. Deduce means that we need to use what we got previously, which is square root of 1.08 is equal to 1.0392. And we know that we want square root of 12. So this means that we need to use square root of 1.08 in order to find square root of 12. So this means that you need to rearrange square root of 12 so that it has square root of 1.08. So, kita boleh tulis square root of 12 equal to square root of 1.08 times something. So, ini maksud kita factorize keluar 1.08 kan? So, bila kita factorize keluar 1.08, ini maksudnya kamu kena ambil 12, kamu bahagi dengan 1.08. And the answer is 11.11111 until infinity. Okay, so we can write down 11.1 bar. So here we will apply square root of AB is square root of A times square root of B. And we already know that square root of 1.08 is 1.0392. So now we just need to find what is the answer for square root of 11.1 bar. So recall back 3.1 in order to find 11.1 bar using sum to infinity. 11.1 bar is equal to 11.111 until infinity. So kat sini cuba tengok, yang ada bar adalah 1. So kita boleh separatekan 1 kat situ. And then jangan lupa kali ni kita ada 11 point something ni kan. So ini maksudnya kita boleh separatekan dia juga. So you'll get 11 plus 0.1 plus 0.01 plus 0.001 plus ... So kat sini kamu kena check which one yang adalah sum to infinity. And it is actually starting from 0.1 until plus ... tu. So ini yang kamu punya geometric series kamu. Okay, how do I know that it starts from 0.1? Recall balik R, dia mesti common ratio. So say that I take R equal to T2 over T1. So 0.01 divided by 0.1, that will give me 0.1. Or you can also take R equal to T3 over T2, 0.001 divided by 0.01, which is also 0.1. So we know that this is the geometric series. So this is A and R is 0.1. So it is actually 11 plus A over 1 minus R. And we know that A is 0.1 and R is also 0.1. Therefore, at this part here, you can just use your calculator. And the answer is 100 over 9. So 11.1 bar is 100 over 9. So substitute this one to become 100 over 9. Square root of 100 over 9 is simply 10 over 3. And by using calculator, you can see that the answer is 3.464. So that's how you deduce square root of 12 using square root of 1.08.